Cabbie day, but we are driving the Cabbie to go get something new. What is it, honey?
Heading to go after a 45-foot telehandler.
Potentially, as always. It's a marketplace find, so I guess I never say that we're actually getting something until it comes home with us. I'm gonna do my computer work while he drives. Be back soon. We're going for a new record of 7 miles an hour today.
See how accurate the
RJ and I live like a very busy, crazy life, so anywhere that I can get my workout in, I do. Every time we're either entering or exiting the shop, I try to run down the concrete driveway and he picks me up at the end. His neighbors have got to think that I'm totally crazy or that he's totally crazy because he's always chasing behind me in a vehicle to pick me up at the end. But it definitely looks like he's forcing me to do it. That is not the case. I just like to stay in shape. He's in the bank getting the check for new marketplace find. But I just want to show why girls also love the Cabover so much. I work from home. I guess I work from a Cabbie today. I own a social media management company. So I take my computer. I have my Milwaukee inverter with my charger for my computer so it doesn't go dead. I have space for my sunnies, my drinks, my backpack with my lunch in it, notebooks, my mic, all because this, I think this is where the engine is, right? It has a huge area where I can just set everything. It looks messy, and we do have green shag carpet, but it's still perfect. It's better than a Prius, okay? One thing about me is I can do my makeup anywhere on the go. RJ says that's his favorite thing about me because I can just hop in the car and go. We're gonna do our makeup routine. If you're only here to watch the trucks, just fast forward this part, okay? Oh, the mirror's all dusty. That's okay. Start with concealer. Can literally do my eyeshadow while he's going on a back road. So I actually ran for Miss Ohio last year and I did not know anything really when it came to makeup. I had to pay for a class that literally it was a makeup class teaching me how to do it. So one thing a lot of people don't know about Miss Ohio is you do your own hair and makeup backstage. Was so nervous when it came to Miss Ohio that I labeled, they're about worn off now. I labeled every single brush so I knew what order to do the makeup because I was that much of a newbie at it. I have really dark under eyes and I don't know why because I sleep a lot. I get my 8 hours of sleep, so I can't say it's because I'm exhausted or anything. And to insinuate or extenuate or whatever that word is, I do the cheekbones. I'm gonna wait a second because we're in a bumpy part of this little town before I do my eyebrows. Well, I hope this cop doesn't pull us over for no seat belts. We don't have seat belts.
Yeah, they ain't in here, is it?
Nope. You know, a couple years ago, you never thought your life was gonna be a girl doing makeup tutorials in your Cabover.
Nah.
You need to go this way just a pinch. That's smarter. Hey. You're gonna fall off on this side. He's gonna fall off. I'll make sure the forks don't hit the front. I think it might be a little heavy. Well, we almost didn't get her, but we got her. Might be a fun ride home. I think you like to scare me on a daily basis, at least once a day.
It's part of the fun.
Were you not nervous?
I tried backing it on and I forgot it rear wheel steer.
Yeah, that didn't work out, did it? No. It's smelling like it was overheating, but I don't think this temperature gauge is working in here. So we stopped but we can't find any leaks anywhere. We're not in the greatest part of Indianapolis right now. There's broken glass everywhere. Hopefully we can get back on the road. So we stopped at a mom and pop chrome shop. It doesn't look very open.
We're not open today.
Well, dadgummit. We got the Cabbie back to the shop. Now it's time to haul one load of grain. Hopefully we can get it there before they shut down for the day. You know, half of the video comments from Instagram of me trying to learn how to drive a truck tell me I need to get a broom and get back to the kitchen. It's not quite the kitchen, but I did get a broom.
Yeah. Yep. That's comes off our dryer, our bees wings. Catches all our bees wings and our fines. Yeah. Put it back up on there and tilt it so it's out of the way.
He's up there fixing something. I don't know exactly what it is. He might have explained it in the video already. He said he backed up and hit it. And he says he does it every year. So I don't know exactly how he's gonna fix it. And I also don't know why he's trusting me to be the operator while he is up there. I think he just likes living on the edge. Should be good to go. This is my first time driving one of these bad boys. Who is that, honey? Oh, that's Farm Man Sam.
These Cabovers turn really, really good.
Hi, Sammy. Oh, look at the pretty sunset. Man Sam.
How are you?
Good, you'd be proud. I'm actually wearing muck boots on your farm for once.
I see that.
Usually I bring white tennis shoes here. What are we doing today?
We're gonna pick this bin up, weld new legs on it. We're picking it up 4 feet.
Why?
That way I can fit an electric hammer mill underneath of it and gravity feed right into it. I don't want to run an auger to the mill. Down through the center and chain it around that bar and put that tire in between. And that tire will pick up on the bottom of the cone and lift the whole bin up.
Have you done this before?
No.
Oh, hello. Nice to see y'all. Wow, you're fat. You must be pregnant or something. Come here. No, fine. I'll go pet your babies then. Hi, babies. You guys look so fashionable in your blinkies. Sammy's very scary guard dog. Hello. Why aren't you woofing at me? Woof, woof. No, not feeling it today. Yeah, very scary, very scary. one chain gonna hold that whole thing? I feel like we need more than just that. But I am a trusting girlfriend, and I believe in Sammy and RJ's redneck ingenuity. I feel like I should say do not try this at home if you're watching. This is not a good idea. Oh, Sammy, be careful. Guys, don't just stand under it. No, don't stand under that, RJ. No, on this side. Is this for real? This is literally, this is not redneck ingenuity. This is stupidity. Oh, what? What? You are my boyfriend's insurance company. You did not watch this video. This is insane. This is actually why women live longer than men. The sparks are literally falling out. I'm scared to post this in case your life insurance company sees it.
No, see, that's why you have to record this, because what is the worst thing that happens? You die? Well, now you can tell the insurance company, like, look, I didn't kill him. Like, this is a legit claim. He died.
Doing something stupid. That chain up there, that's not weight rated for all that.
Honey. We don't show that in the video. We don't show that it's not weight rated. We just say, wow, it lifted it. Look how good a telehandler is. For sale.
I mean, I don't know, is this the blind leading the blind? What do you think they're saying to each other? Hey, you think you should have goggles? At minimum, maybe just some sunglasses. Nah, man, it'll bug. Oh, look, no gloves either. Cool. Yeah. Wow. Dumb and Dumber. Good thing I love these two. If you wake up in the middle of the night with your eyes burning, we know why.
Yeah, I'm not looking at this time.
That's Sam's dad. He has absolutely no clue what we're doing. He probably disapproves if I were to guess, but it's okay, Doug. I do too. Hi, Doug. We don't approve of what they're doing right now. I thought you raised them better than that. Stupid. Now fearless.
Yes. Look how much money we saved tonight. Where's Sam,
Thankfully, they all survived.
Oh, we're good.
Testing the new Marketplace Find 101. We have like 3 hours left of drive time tonight. It's almost 8 o'clock. I have my handy dandy computer to start editing this video that you're watching right now. And where are we going?
We're gonna go drop off parts at a 362 Peterbilt project we're working on, and then we're